A new board came in today for the television, the T-Con board. You can see the numbers right there. V320HK2-CPE1 is like 1850. Here's the old board. There you go, V3. Alright, if you'll recall, we had the black screen with the backlights, or the deep blue screen. And if you'll recall, the only thing I found on this board that wasn't right was the VGH was reading 17.9 volts. The VGL was reading 12 volts. Those are wrong. The VGL should be negative 5. The VGH should be 25 to 30. VCC, the 12 volts coming in was normal at the fuse. Alright, so anyway, I did reverse diode test on the old board. Okay? And excuse me. I don't know what's wrong with me. I did not put the red on the right board. Alright, now we'll go. Okay? Alright. Let's see if we can get it going. Okay. Well, obviously, let me set the phone down. Got to use the alligator clips to secure the red lead to the ground. And then I can do the reverse diode test on the old board. Okay. Reverse diode test on the old board. I was getting short to ground on the coil. Okay, same way on this side. Alright, that's both sides of the coil. It's shorted to ground. All these capacitors here, shorted to ground. All of these shorted to ground, shorted to ground. These are shorted to ground. Okay, even this one right here. All these are shorted to ground. Well, here's a new board. Everything that is shorted to ground on the new board, on the old board, is also shorted to ground on the new board. So, I guess, yes, you do get a coil that's shorted to ground. So, let me hook the red lead to ground. There we go. Now, here we are. We're doing the reverse diode test. This is the new board that I'm going to put up on the screen. Let's go ahead and put it up on the screen. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, dadgummit. This is the new board right here. Okay, we're going to do the reverse diode on this coil. I have my red lead. This is on the new board, the new T-Con board. That's shorted. Okay, let me show you on the screen here. Okay. So this new T-Con board just came in for the 50-inch Samsung. All these are shorted. Now on the old board I removed these, and I removed this little voltage regulator, and the short wouldn't go away. I didn't pursue any more removing anything else. Now on this new board I'm not going to touch it, because if it's defective, I'm going to send it back. But I'm going to hook this board up and do the VGL reading, the VGG, the VGL, the VCC, and 12 volt reading coming in right here at the fuse. And then of course I'll hook it up to see if I have a picture. New T-Con board, or the one that just came in. These panel cables are not connected. Let's do the VGH. The VGH is right there. 17.6. That's about what the other one was reading. Alright, this is a let's find VGL. Well, I forgot where. Oh, here it is right here. This is VGL. It's reading about -8. Okay, that'll do. See, VCC. Come on, Melanie. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. That's reading good. Alright, now we got 12 volts coming in. Okay, so VCC is reading about 3.3. That's good. VGL is reading -8. And the VGH is reading plus close to 18. Alright, let's plug in the cables. The panel cables. Let's see if we've got a picture or something. Panel cables are plugged in. Now let's plug this in. See if we got a picture. I'm gonna have to set the phone down and record once I get the picture up. The TV standing up.